talk about, that is scientific notation. This is also important, scientific notation. Okay. This is going to be used somewhere, but it is not there in syllabus. I think they have reduced. Another is there, that is rounding off. So rounding off, that is, you might have study in the 10th standard or the lower classes. And when you talk about the precision is there, and accuracy. After these concepts, what are their law of chemical combination? Just I'm telling you what are the important things I will teach you. Chemical combination. In this one, 4-5 law is there. That is also I will discuss. The next one is mole concept. Okay, mole concept. This is the mole concept. After mole concept, one more is there, limiting reagent. Limiting reagent. Limiting reagent. We talk about the limiting reagent. So this is the concept. After limiting reagent, that is average atomic mass. This is there. That is also important. Average atomic mass. Okay. Empirical formula. Empirical formula. Empirical formula. And one more concept is there in this one, concentration terms. So these many things are there in this chapter, which are extremely important, right? Other things, what is there? They will ask, that is the definition of chemistry, that you can study by yourself easily. There is no problem. The chemistry, definition of chemistry, or some other point also there that you can easily study. Okay, it is clearly audible to you, na?
Yes, sir.
So these many topics I will be discussing to you. And matter, that you know, that is the types of matter, pure, impure, homogeneous, heterogeneous. This all you can study. If anything you are facing the problem, immediately you can ask. Okay. So first of all, we are going to start from the scientific notation. Okay. So can you please tell me what is scientific notation? Have you heard about this one? Scientific notation?
I never heard about this.
I never heard about this. Okay. So let us see, that is what is scientific notation. Scientific. Now, when you talk about scientific notation, so there is when you are dealing, when you are dealing extremely large size, large number. So that is very difficult to deal the large number. For that number, it is the scientific notation is there. Okay. So that is, they are saying representation of extremely large number. Extremely large number during calculation is done by scientific notation. Of how you are doing this scientific notation, which is represented by, you can see this one, which is represented by, how you are representing the scientific notation, that you see, that is, which is represented by, what is that, is capital N, multiply by 10 power n. Okay, this is what is the point for the scientific notation. It means no matter how much big digits you are having, you can represent them in the very short or the precise way, n into 10 power n. Now you see what is this one. N means what? Exponent. This is what is called exponent. Exponent, or you can say power. Exponent, or you can say power. Now see the meaning of the exponent. It can be 0, it can be plus minus 1, or it can be plus minus 2, or it can be plus minus 3, or that is so on. Okay. Now what about this one? Okay, it is this is capital N is the digits with decimal. Digits with decimal. This is what the point. Digits with decimal. Its value, if you are talking about, so it's starting for 1.00 to 9.99. So that is what the representation. Getting my point? This one, scientific notation.
Yes, sir.
Now let's try to understand why we are doing one more issue relation is there. See, if I am taking 2 gram, है ना, if I am taking, okay, region I am just region I am explaining. So 2 gram H2 means what? 2 gram H2. So if you are calculating moles, okay, moles, I will teach you later on. Moles means that is what is given mass upon molar mass. Given mass upon molar mass. A given mass is there 2 gram, 2 gram. And molar mass, what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? Can you tell me? Malvika, what is the molar atomic mass of hydrogen? Atomic number is 1, so mass number is also 1, right? So how many hydrogen are there? H2. Okay.
Mm.
So H2 means what is it is made up of H plus H. So if one hydrogen mass is how much? 1. So that is 2 hydrogen 1. So it is going to be 2. So how much coming? 2 gram per mole. Okay, gram cancel out, 2 cancel out. So it is going to be 1 mole. Right. Okay. So 1 mole is equal to how many particle? Do you know? 1 mole is equal to how much? Yes.
Sir,
Ah,
something we learned about Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23.
23. Good, very good. So that is how much is there? That is 1 mole equal to 1 mole. It is what? 1 mole means hydrogen, na? This is what 1 mole H2 only. This is 1 mole hydrogen gas. Now 1 mole H2 gas means that is we can write that is 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. This many are there. Suppose you are not writing in this format. So it means what? That is 3 digits you can remove. Or how can you write? That is you can write that is 6022. Then after 20 digits you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And lastly, means these many molecules will come. These many molecules. Can you multiply this much big number?
No.
No, it is very difficult. Na? So for this type of representing to this type of number, to represent this type of number, what is it? To represent
Scientific.
to represent this type of number, scientific notation use. Scientific notation. Scientific notation. So this is what the concept behind. Will you write this or can I erase this? What?
Sir, I have already written.
This written. Both the part you written.
Yes, sir.
This also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. So I'm giving you the some questions you just try to solve. Na? So what is the question? Uh, represent in scientific notation. They are saying represent in the form of scientific notation. In the form of scientific notation. Scientific notation. Up now, this is our questions. Okay, this is. So what is the represent? One question A number they are saying 2350001. A number. B number 8004. C number 123456. D number 6.0194. Okay, these 4 are there. If you represent this in the form of scientific notation, can you try? Can you try this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, try and send me immediately on my number. Just take the pic and send me. I will see is it correct or not. Done.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Which okay, okay. Tell me. Yeah.
Sir, how can you do the first one? for me.
First one, this one, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is there? Okay, Malvika. The scientific notation they are saying, na? So we have to
Yes.
write in the form of n into 10 power n, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
n value is, they are saying n is, put decimal, put decimal, put decimal after one digit, after one digit. Okay, put decimal after one digit. Or here is, write the exponent, write the exponent, write the exponent. Now, let's try to understand this point. What is meaning? Okay. So see, how much is there? 235,001. So we have to put the decimal 2.35. You can write the all the digit, there is no problem. But 2 point after decimal 2 digits is okay. But what? But what the what the point here they are saying? Since you put it the decimal here, it means how much zero you want to, you need to put here. So zero will be how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you are going left side, putting putting decimal left, putting
Yes, sir.
decimal left, putting decimal left, putting decimal left side, left side. So power will be positive. है ना? Power will be positive. So that is here there is no decimal in this one. So what we have done here, one decimal, it's looking like here decimal but not decimal. Here you see we have placed one digit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 digit I decimal after here I put na. So that is power will be count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I wrote the power 6. Here is the what is the our required answer. Not able to understand?
Sir, understood.
Okay. So tell me the value of this one. How much is coming?
8.0. Sir, it's okay to add the other number
Yeah, but decimal is required here. 8.004
into 10 raised to 3.
10 power 3. Okay. Acha. You tell me the E number. 0. No, 0, 0.0000123. Now, what is the E number? You tell me the E value of the E. If you are going right side, this is the one node. Okay.
Sir,
Node.
it will be raised to minus.
Yes. Going
Minus
right.
6.
No. How many digits you are going? How many digits you are going right? That you have to do. Going right means power will be negative. Means power will be negative. So now you see here that is the problem you see here. How many digits you are going? There is the wait. You are going how many digits you are traveling here. After one numeral digit, you have to put the decimal. So here you are running. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer will be 1.23 into 10 power. How much it is going? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is going to be minus 4. Because here what they are saying, put the decimal left side power. So no, what they are saying, put the decimal after one digit. Which digit? Numeral digit. So one digit, numeral is 1, 2, 3. So after one I put the decimal. So 1.23 into 10 power minus 4. Why minus 4? Because the decimal went to the right side. If it is the leg going left side, putting decimal left side, it will be positive. But if you are going right side, the decimal will be what? Negative. Are you be able to understand
Negative.
this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what you do. Do you have the NCERT book?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you open the page number I'm telling you? Okay. This is I'm going to give you the form of the homework. Question number, you can see the question number 1.18. And page number is page number 26. Page number 26. Question number 1.18. You see what the question? Express the following in the scientific notation. Can you
Yes,
be
sir.
will you be able to do this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here the one question is there. At least one I am trying to ask you 0.0048. Can you tell me the answer for this one?
Yes, sir. 4.8 into 10 raised to 3 minus 3.
Minus 3. Good, good, very good. Okay. So you understood. Okay. Now next point when you are going, that is addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. This type of thing will come in the chemistry too much. Addition and subtraction of scientific notation. So how can you be able to understand scientific notation? So how can you be able to understand? See, when anything is written in the form of the scientific notation, so you have to apply the scientific meanings for that one. So step number what they are saying to do this one, step number 1 equals the coefficient. They are saying equal the not coefficient, exponent. Equals the exponent. Exponent in the bracket it is going to be power. You need to equals the power. Okay. Now step number 2 they are saying take the common, take the common, take the common. What the common they are talking about in the form of 10 power 1, 10 power n, and add the digits, add or subtract. Whatever they are asking, the same one. Add or subtract. Add or subtract. ERAC. Add or subtract the decimal digit. Decimal digits. That is what the point we are talking about. Add or subtract the decimal digits. Okay. So, what is the way to do this one? What is the meaning of? So, same one I am going with the. Let me check with the CRT. Will give you the problem from this, so that you can be able to do this. They are asking addition. They are asking add the following question. I'm giving you add the following. Okay, add the following. So how can you add? Generally, this is the addition is done. So many students do the mistakes. Here they are saying 6.65 into 10 power 4 plus 8.95 into 10 power 3. So this is what is the things. But if you are adding, how the wrong method? If you are doing the wrong method, simple what the student do na no, the wrong method WRONG. How the other student do? If you don't know, you will do that is either you will add like that 6.65 plus 8.95, and then you can add 10 power 4 plus 3. So like that, if you are doing, it is going to be absolutely wrong. Okay, it is going to be absolutely wrong. So what method you are going to use? You have to make this power. No, you have to make this value first of all. These two value equal. So 4. Here is the 4 and here is the 3. What to do to make it 4? What to do to make it 4? What I am doing? I am multiplying by this 10 and dividing this by 10. Okay, so let's see what will happen. 6.65. No, patiently you please watch this one. Plus 8.95 divided by 10 into 10 power. This is 3 and this 1 0. Can it be 4? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go for the next step. 6.65 into 10 power. What is going to be 4 plus? If you are dividing anything, let us go. That is, if you are dividing 1 by 10, so what will value will come 0.1? Yes or no? 1 by 100 means 0.01. Are you be able to understand?
Yes, sir.
If it is the 9.95 divided by 10, what will come?
99.5.
No, 0.995. Is it 0.995? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come back to another. So if you are dividing 8.95, so what will be there? 0.895 into 10 power 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, the step number 2. Take the common. What the common is there? 10.4 and 10.4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 10.4 is the common. What are there inside? You see, and they are saying add or subtract the decimal. So since they are saying add, so we are adding 6.65 plus 0.895. Okay. So now you add out. So if you are adding, you see how much is coming. Decimal. How you add the decimal? That's also 6.65. Decimal down decimal. Okay, decimal down decimal. So it is going 895 like this. You have to put the decimal below decimal. So see, this is 5 and his
7.545.
7.525. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
54. So answer will be what? 7.545 into 10 power. It is going to be 4. This is our answer. Can you understand this?
Yes, sir.
This calculation will be used somewhere. That is why I am telling you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can I erase?
No, sir, I have to copy.
Okay, copy out. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm erasing this. Can I erase now?
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you one question for this one subtraction. You do by yourself. Okay. So I'm taking the pic and I'm sending you. You try to do by yourself. Yeah, I take out. So I'm directly the subtraction is having the same procedure. Okay, subtraction is having the same. Take out the common. Take out the common, and then what you need to do? Subtract the decimals. Okay, digits. Okay, getting my point. So I have sent you on WhatsApp number for subtraction. You check later on. Now multiplication. What you do for multiplication? Multiplication. How you will be do the multiplication of scientific notation? Can you tell me? Do you know if this type of numbers are there? How can you do? What? Step number 1. Okay. Exponent gets added. Exponents gets added. Gets added in scientific notation. Exponent means, do you know scientific? That is, exponent means
Power.
power. And step number 2. Step number 2. They are saying decimal digits are multiplied. Decimal digits are multiplied. This is the step number 2. Multiplied. And what the step number 3? If you are talking about step number 3, again, obtained value. Again, obtained value is converted into what? Obtained value is converted into scientific figures, scientific notation. So can I give you the problem? Will you try to do that one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The question is there, multiply. Okay. So multiply means 5.6 into 10 power 5 into, this is in a one bracket, and another bracket they are saying that is 6.9 into 10 power 8. This is what the answer. So this is our points. Now we have to multiply this one. My handwriting must not be coming because I seated like this one. Books are there. So let's see how can you do. The step number exponent gets added, right? And decimal digits are multiplied. So let's see the step number 1 if I am doing the solution. So 5.6 and 6.9 is going to multiply, and that is 10 power exponent are going to be added 5 plus 8, right? Now what you need to do, you need to multiply this one 5.6 and 6.9. Check how much you are getting.
Yes, sir.
5.6 into 5.
38.4.
Thank you so much. So it is coming how much? 38.64. Multiply by 10 power, how much is there? 8, 5, 13.
13.
Now, Malvika, this is not in the scientific notation. So you tell me in the scientific form. Can you?
Yes, sir. 3.864.
3.864 into 10 power. Problem, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, problem can be catched easily, right? You need to put the decimal after one digit. To put the decimal after one digit, you need to divide by 10. Just
Yes,
now, so what you do, 38.64 is there. So you just divide by 10. Multiply by 10 power 13 is there. If any digit you are dividing, so you need to multiply also. If you are dividing means you need to multiply also. Yes or no? Otherwise,
Yes,
so you simultaneously multiply it and divide. So now see, if you divide, just now it told you if you divide 1 by 10, so the decimal will be 0.1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you are dividing 38.64 by 10, so how much the value you are going to get? The decimal will shift this side. Yes or no?
0.8.
So 3.864. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So here I am writing 3.864 into 10 power. Now tell me 13 and this 10. How much will be there? 14. So if you are moving the decimal left side, this side, so that is power will be what? Positive. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here I wrote this one. What? Putting the decimal left side, the power will be positive. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write down, please. Malvika, you need to have 2-3 classes, okay, daily. Means weekly 3 classes, but I don't have time. You no time at all because your class also started 11th standard here, 12th standard is there, 10th standard is there. Total time block and other online classes are there, 1-2 classes, that is foreign students are there. And foreign students are studying last 2 years they are studying. Now immediately it is very difficult to stop them. Because last year last year, that is 2 years I am teaching them. I cannot stop. One student I was trying to stop, but they were crying. So I'm not able to stop them. So let's see that how can I will be able to teach you. Because to teach now some more time required. You are also studying there, not too much, na? Up to 4 o'clock, na?
Yes, sir. Early in the morning and coming late. And also they are saying extra classes will be there. I don't know how much time.
So if extra classes is there, na, you say clear all the doubts in the extra classes. If anything they are saying, you say that is clear all the doubts. Okay. Acha. This is the what multiplication. Understood this one? Is it clear? Hello? Is it okay? Audible?